Okay. Good evening, all. We are here today to tell us a success story of how a gardener was able to get giant tomatoes in 2 months. Okay, now you can talk.
Yeah, good evening. Yeah, so here we have this tomato bed that we started about 2 months ago. So we planted the tomatoes in the raised bed, and this was just a small garden, a small bed, 4 by 8 feet, and we started with a fresh soil, and initially we started kind of planting the seeds, but because of the weather was a little bit harsh, so it didn't grow very well. Um, so what we did is we then bought seedlings, which were about 2 weeks old, of the seedlings of tomatoes, 2 weeks old, and then we planted them. And what you see here is just what we have achieved in just a little bit over two months. We have different varieties of tomatoes that we planted. We planted the regular Roma tomatoes, the ones you usually find on the market.
We planted.
We also planted the
big boy
very
tomato.
round tomatoes,
called big boy
call them
tomato.
big boy tomatoes. And then we also have these ones,
Which are really
which are big.
big.
They are the better boy tomatoes. So we've had a lot of success this year with our tomatoes based on how we took care of the bed. And she will show you right here. This is a freshly harvested bowl of tomatoes that we have, and you can see they were really big. Key here is just take good care of your garden. What we did is we watered the bed almost every week, and then we tried to remove a lot of weeds from it. We had mulch in there to keep the soil moist all the time, and that's really helped our yield this year. Thank you.
And bye-bye.
Thank you. What we are saying is that you can also achieve this by following what he has just told us now. Thank you and God bless.